What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I've been secretly making money right here on the Quantum wallet. Okay, so the Quantum wallet has been on for almost a year now, and I've been making money right here secretly for myself. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do the same for yourself to start making money on Quantum wallets right away, guys. Okay, and mind you guys, don't joke with this because this is actually real. Okay, this money you see right here, I'm going to be making a withdrawal of this money down below here that says 11 ATU. I'm going to be making a withdrawal of 23 USDT right here on my wallet right now for absolutely free, guys. I did nothing right here to achieve this. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it, so you actually get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you are always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Quantum wallet account dashboard right now. So as you can see up here, that says $829,371.5. This money right here was given to me for absolutely free just by inviting friends down here to the Quantum wallet to come participate on the airdrop. Okay, so that was how I was actually able to get this money you see up here. And down below here that says ATU, I actually got this 11 ATU you see right here, which is worth about 23 USDT, simply by inviting friends to participate on the AI trading right here on Quantum wallet. Okay, and a lot of persons has been making it right here for themselves secretly, guys. All right, and down below here that says SATU, I currently have about 408,000 SATU, which is worth about 829,304.5 USDT you see up here, guys. Okay, so to actually unlock this SATU right here, you need to invest in the AI. Okay, you actually need to invest in the AI before you can unlock the SATU to ATU. Okay, because ATU is actually the native token to the Quantum wallet, guys. All right, so you can actually start earning the SATU right now just by participating on the Quantum wallet airdrop. Okay, so how can you participate on the airdrop? So you can participate on the airdrop simply by signing up on Quantum wallet, guys. Okay, so how can you sign up? I'm going to be leaving the sign up link to Quantum wallet on my Telegram channel. All right, and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be on this video description, guys. So all you just simply need to do is go over to my Telegram channel, and boom, guys, you're going to be seeing the link to sign up on Quantum wallet. Okay, and mind you, guys, when you sign up on Quantum wallet, you're going to be given a free airdrop worth 900 USDT. Okay, and when you keep on inviting your friends, your money is going to keep on stacking up, just like mine you see right here. And when you participate on the Quantum wallet AI trading, you're going to be able to unlock those your airdrop tokens you have been given to the ATU token, and boom, guys, you can make withdrawals immediately. Okay, and mind you, guys, the most amazing part about the AI trading is that no matter the amount you use for staking, you can be able to end it at any time and withdraw your capital and as well your profit at the same time. Okay, you can end the trading and withdraw your capital at any time you wish. That is the most amazing part about the AI trading, guys. Okay, so right now, I know a lot of persons might want to ask, how can I participate on the AI trading? So guys, it's quite easy. I'm going to be leaving a link to a video where I'm going to be showing you how you can actually participate on the AI trading up at the top right corner of my screen. Okay, if you actually look at the top right corner of my screen right now, you're going to be seeing that link. All right, so when you are done watching this video, guys, you can just simply click on that link to actually watch how you can participate on the AI trading, because I've actually given you the full details on that video on how you can go about that, guys. All right, so that is it. So if you actually hit on this place right here that says me, and I hit on my team right here, guys, if you actually calculate the amount of persons I've invited on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5 right here, you would see that I've actually invited about 3,500 persons. Okay, and as you can see, a lot of them right here are currently participating on the AI trading, and they're actually making it secretly for themselves, guys. All right, so you can also do the same right now to start earning for yourself, because a lot of persons have asked me times without number of a good way they can actually invest their money to get good returns. Okay, so I believe the Quantum wallet right here is actually one of those ways you can invest your money to get good returns, guys. All right, so if I actually go back right now, if I go back and hit on this place right here that says ATS, okay, as you can see, guys, investing right here, you get 30% on ATU. If you actually invest, the ATU tokens, you get 30%. And if you actually invest TRX right here, you get 18%. Okay, same with USDT right here, guys. Okay, so that is the basic reason why you need to go watch that video I recommended So you actually know how you can go about the AI trading right here on Quantum Wallet. Okay, so I'm going to be making a withdrawal right now of my balance right here, guys, straight down into my Binance account. Okay, so how do I actually make withdrawal? So I'm simply going to hit on this place right here that says C2C, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on C2C right here, and then I simply hit on Express. Okay, then over here that says R2, I'm going to toggle this, I'm going to bring R2 right here to my left and TRX right here to my right. Okay, I'm going to hit on the center button right here, and then over here that says TRX, I just simply hit on it and then hit on USDT, guys. All right, and then over here that says Max, I'm going to convert R2 to USDT right now. So I'm going to hit on Max right here, guys. Okay, so as you can see, they said 1 R2 is equals to 2 USDT as we speak right now. So over here that is confirm exchange. I'm going to hit on confirm exchange, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, it says exchange successful. So I'm going to hit on return right here, guys. Boom. So I just made a conversion right now. So down below here that is wallet, I'm going to hit on wallet, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I currently have no more R2 on my balance, and now I currently have about 22.9 USDT. So they actually took some fee for conversion. Okay, so right now, guys, the next step is to make withdrawal of this USDT right here straight down into my Binance wallet. So how do I actually make withdrawal? So I'm simply going to hit on USDT right here, guys. Okay, and then I hit on this place right here that says transfer, guys. All right, so over here that says receiving address, I'm going to paste my Binance TRC20 wallet address right here. And then over here that says please enter amount, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says all. Okay, so as you can see, I just imputed the amount right now. Down below here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it says transfer details 22.9, and the network fee right here is actually 1 USDT. So that is no big deal, guys. So I'm going to hit on confirm down below here. I'm going to input my password. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. I'm going to input the last number right here, guys. Okay, as you can see, it says transfer successful. So I'm just going to wait for some couple of minutes, guys, to actually receive this money straight down in my Binance account. So I'm going to hit on I understand right here. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. I'm going to pause this video. I want to actually receive the money in my Binance wallet. I'm going to be showing you guys the proof. Okay, so guys, let's go. Boom, guys. So the money just arrived on my Binance account right now. So I'm going to scroll down my phone, guys. Okay, as you can see right here, it says USDT deposit successful. You have successfully deposited 21.9 USDT at 2025. So I'm going to hit on it right now. So let's see, guys. Okay, let's just give this some time. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, this is currently 21.9. So I'm going to hit on it. Okay, as you can see, it says 21.9 USDT has been completed. Okay, 2025-07-26. All right, so guys, that is basically how you can make money for free right there on the Quantum Wallet. So make sure you actually watch that video I recommended to you guys to actually, be able to participate on the AI trading, and also make sure you join the Quantum Wallet right now using my referral link that is going to be on my Telegram channel, guys. So you actually get, the free airdrop of which you can actually use in participating on the AI trading, guys. All right, so that will be all for this video, guys. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you actually smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on TV. Okay, so guys, thank you all once more for watching this video. Have a blessed and wonderful day ahead of you. Peace out, guys.